Today I'm going to be changing the oil in my Wheelhorse 655. I don't believe this is the original engine. The engine in here is a Kohler k181. The drain location on mine is right down here next to the battery on the front side of this motor. And it's just got a little round cap on it, so use either a pipe wrench or some vice grips to loosen this up. And I've got my little catch pan down there. So we'll let that drain for a while, and we'll also open up the filler area right up here. You might need to get like a 1/2-inch wrench for this to loosen it up, but I always just put it in finger tight. But there's where we filled it up, and our dipstick as well. So we're just gonna let that drain out completely, and then we'll put the cap back on. So now that it's all basically out, we're gonna put the cap back on. And we're gonna wanna make sure that we get this one pretty tight, so we don't want this cap coming back off. And then us losing all the oil. All right, so now we just need to put some new oil in. I've got my funnel here ready, and recommendation on this for any temperature above freezing is SA 30. If you're gonna run it below freezing, it recommends 5W30 or 10W30, but this isn't really gonna get used below freezing, so we're gonna put some 30 weight in here. And the capacity for this is 1.2 quarts or 2.5 pints. So now that we put the oil in there, we're gonna just double check. And you can see it's got a full and a low mark on here. You want it towards the full side. And for this style that threads in, you're just gonna, it says to shoulder it in there, don't thread it in to check it. So we'll just stick it in there and then pull it back out. And we're right below the full mark, so we can add a little bit more oil in there, but other than that, we're all done. So we'll just thread this back in here. All right, now just close it back up, and we're done. Thanks for watching. God bless.